In this episode, we'll discuss importing images into the Revit family to help us model without changing between tabs when we need dimension of a particular object or model. Knowing this will help us improve our workflows and make our projects more efficient. First, create a new family. Choose the metric generic model template. Save the family with a name that your company regulates. Go to tab Insert, click Import Image. A window will appear saying, the imported image will not be visible in projects. To improve performance, delete the image before saving the family, which we'll do at the end of this episode. After modeling, we delete the image, then save the family before closing. Okay, now click Close to import the image we want, then click Open. An X will appear to represent the review of our image, then choose a position for the image. If you want to make sure the dimensions in these images are at the right ratio, you'll have to measure them. But if you choose the usual dimension, you can't measure on an image. You can only measure real objects created in the family. In this case, we will choose Measure between two references. Using this command, you can measure between any point in our family. Clicking it, we'll measure the width of this cabinet. You can see that it is not 900. To scale this image to the right ratio, we are going to pick the image and use Scale command. Pick start point and end point of this cabinet top. Then hover mouse to the right size or type 900. Do the same command to the front side image.